Welcome to OneMonroe Cable, a fully certified ISO 9001:2015 facility.
Hi, I'm Jeff Cremines, and I'm plant manager here at OneMonroe Cable located in Northport, Florida. We are a manufacturer of custom-made wiring harnesses and cable assemblies. One of the other items here at OneMonroe Cable that we do to help separate us from our competitors is we make sure that all products are 100% inspected prior to shipment. And this does help ensure that our customers are getting a very high quality product on a regular basis.
I'm Peyton Kokenauer. I'm one of the engineers here at Monroe. One of my fortes here is to deal with the training on site for J standards as well as A620 WAMA. We're going to continue on with stamping formed open barrel. We're talking about the conductor crimp at this point. So we, with that, took in the account of having the availability to train here on site instead of having to go off site for our certifications.
With our experienced engineering team is make sure during the quoting process we review all drawings and documentations for any projects that are submitted by our customer. And during that review phase, our experienced engineer quite often find ways to improve the quality of the product for the customer.
OneMonroe, how can we help?